These are the parts you're going to need for your build. These are basic parts. You can add more accessories down the line, but this is what you will need to start. You'll need some kind of computer case. This is a regular ATX case. It's not very big, it's not very small. This one's relatively budget oriented. You can get more expensive cases. You can also get slim cases that are smaller, but you'll need some kind of case to be able to put your parts inside of. With your case, you'll also need some kind of power supply. There's all kinds of different power supplies. You can get ones that will be able to power many different parts of your computer. This is just a basic power supply to get you started. Most basic power supplies will be able to take care of the majority of the parts you need to get started. If you decide you need more power, you can always upgrade your power supply. You will need a motherboard, or a logic board as they used to call it, which will be the main board that you will be putting all your other parts on. This will be attached to the case with screws, so it's not going to go anywhere. The brain, or the main part of your computer, will be your processor. You can get different kinds of processors. This is a Intel i5. It's a pretty good processor. You can also get a higher, faster, better processor, or a more budget-friendly processor. You will need to store your operating system and your data somewhere, and that's going to be your hard drive. This is a solid-state drive, which are becoming more common. They're faster and more reliable. You can also get a traditional mechanical drive. These are actually pretty good for your main system to put your operating system on. You can also pair it up with a mechanical drive to have more storage space. Once you've assembled your computer, you will need to get online. You can do so with one of these. It's a wireless USB dongle, or you can connect with a LAN cable or an Ethernet cable. They have different names, but just one of these and you connect it to your router or to your modem. Now that you have the parts for your computer, I will show you how to build the computer in the next video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you found this information useful. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.